Hello, I'm Jessica and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to do an updated tutorial of how to change and add and create your own custom pixel icons for the Yoto player. This video is in collaboration with Yoto, but all of the Yoto products I purchased with my own money and the opinions are my own. So first you want to log into your Yoto account, scroll down to the bottom, click on the Make Your Own section, then click on this orange MYO library button. Click on your playlist. This colorful plus shows you don't have an icon for this area. Click on it, and then I selected a moon. If you want to apply one icon to all the tracks, hit this button in the bottom and select your icon. Then you can see it updated on my Yoto player. If you're not finding an icon in the Yoto library, click on the My Icons tab, and as long as you use one of these file formats, you can upload your own. Yoto recently launched Yoto.space, and this is a great resource to use. Down under Make Your Own, we have the Building Blocks tab. I'm going to click on that and then scroll over to the pixel art. Yoto has added these icons that you can download and put onto your cards. I am going to select this apple face, click on it, and click on it one more time, and up here in the top right corner is the download button. So I'm going to hit that, go back to the playlist tab and select the upload my own icon, select the icon that I have saved on my computer, click on it, and now you will see it on my card. Hit update. So back on Yoto Space, I'm going to pick one more icon that I want to use, and I am going to use this Dalmatian, and once it loads, click on that actual icon, and now you can see it on my card. Hit update to save all of your changes. So back at Yoto Space, under the Building Blocks tab, over to the pixel art, if you're wanting to select an icon and it shows the PNG download files here, you can just select one and download it from right here, or you can click on the image and then select the one you want to download. If you're still not finding what you're needing on Yoto Space, you can always go online and find a PNG file. Here I found this pink boombox that I'm now going to download. Go back to your playlist, click on the icon that you want to change, go to My Icons at the top, upload icon, and select your file. A lot of the times it will just work, but as you can see, it is slightly cutting off the edges of my boombox, and so I'm going to want to edit this a little bit more. But you could just click on it and hit update. But since I want my perfect, I'm going to go to Photopea, which is a free Photoshop, and I'm going to hit New Project, rename my new project to Boombox. You want to change the pixels to 16 by 16. The 72 DPI is great. Just make sure to change the background to transparent and hit Create. Then on the bottom left-hand side, you want to use this zoom tool and zoom in just a little bit. Then you want to do File, Open, and Place. You want to find your file where you have it saved to and double click. And here you can see it has placed it onto my image, and I'm going to hit the zoom tool again and zoom in. So here is the boombox, and it's already placed it into the perfect size. If for some reason this is not the correct size, make sure the correct layer on the right hand side is selected. Then go up to Edit, Free Transform, and then you could resize this image. So all you do is drag on one of the corners. So from whatever size you want, you can drag and make it larger. This was actually the correct shape and size for me. So I'm going to center this and double click. And now my icon is ready. Then you want to hit File, Export as a PNG so you can be sure the background is clear. Make sure all of your settings are right and hit Save. If you want to create your own custom icon, hit New Project, name your file. I'm leaving the pixels 16 by 16 because that's correct. Same thing with the DPI, leaving it the way it is. And here, leaving the background as transparent and hitting Create. Now I'm going to zoom in, and then I want to make an initial icon. I'm going to hit this Type tool in the bottom right, and I'm going to click on this. Now I'm going to type what I want to type, to hit the Move tool, and I'm going to drag my icon, and so I did a letter R. It's a little bit too big still, so I'm going to hit the Type tool, click, hold, and drag to the left to select this part of the text, and then up here you can use the drop down to change the pixel size. I'm going to change this to 16, so I'm just going to highlight and enter that in. If you want to change the color of your text, you go to this top little box here, click on it once, and then you can drag this slider to what color. So I'm going to go with a pretty teal, and then you click where you want it selected and you can drag and see the color that you're using. So I'm going to use this one and hit OK. And now when I click again, my icon is the correct color. I'm going to hit the Move tool just to deselect, and I'm going to move it just to get it centered exactly how I want it to look. Now I'm ready to save. I go to File, Export as PNG because I want the background to be clear. Double check all of your settings and hit Save. So back on my tab, I'm going to hit the red heart. I'm going to go up to My Icons, Upload Icon, find your file, double click on it. Once it loads, click on that. And now I want to change this heart by clicking on it, go to the My Icons tab, and now I want to hit the Upload icon and select my boombox. Click on the icon and hit Update. And here are my updated icons. If you get these little dots, it means that your icon is loading. So you can still play the track and just give it a few seconds and it will update once it's loaded. I hope that this tutorial was helpful. If you have any comments or questions, please be sure to leave them below. I am curious, what is your favorite new feature of your Yoto products? I'm pretty sure being able to pause the daily podcast is one of our top ones. I know personally, changing the icons and customizing them was a huge game changer for how my children were able to use our Yoto players. So I hope you have a great time editing and customizing all your own icons. Cheers! Let's do it without the tummy growling. Yoto to its fullest capacity. And what else? Full. That might have been it. That might have been it.